Next, question number 6. In figure, this is the figure. Okay, AC is equal to AE. So AC is this diagonal. AC is equal to AE, which is given in the question. I mark these two lines. Okay, AB is equal to AD. AB is this one. I'm marking it as 3 line. AD is this one. These two are also equal, which is given in the question. Angle BAD, which is angle BAD. BAD. This angle is equal to angle EAC. EAC. So making here this one. Okay. So these two angles are equal, which is given in the question. We have to prove that BC is equal to DE. So BC is equal to D is this one, this line. This line. Okay. BC is equal to DE. We have to prove here. Okay. So how can we prove BC is equal to DE? So I am writing the given statements which is given in the question. Okay. So angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, which is given in the question. BAD is equal to EAC, which is given in the question. I written the same statement. Okay. Next, it is given that AC is equal to AE. What is the reason? It is also given in the question. AC and AE are equal. Again, one more thing is given here. AB and AD are equal. So I am writing AB is equal to AD. What is the reason? This is also given in the question. Okay. So now we can see that in triangle ABC and ADE, which is ABC and which is ADE. I am taking the triangle ABC, this one. Okay. And again ADE, this one. These two triangles ADE and ABC. Why I am taking these two triangles? Because we have the relationship between the sides and angles of these two triangles. Okay, ABC and ADE. In these two triangles, we can write AB is equal to, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AD. AD in the triangle ADE, correct? So we can write A in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. We can write AB is equal to AD. What is the reason? Here it is given. So we can write it as given. Okay. So we can write AB is equal to AD. Just like again we can write the given statement AC is equal to AE. AC is the side in triangle ABC and AE. AE is the side in triangle ADE. So we can write AC is equal to AE, which is also given in the question. Okay. So in these two triangles, two sides are equal. That we got from the question. Correct? So we can write AB is equal to AD and AC is equal to AE. Okay. So now I am going to adding angle DAC on both sides of this equation. Already we have angle BAD is equal to angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, which is given in the question. Same statement I written here. This same statement I written here. So angle BAD is this one, angle EAC is this one. Okay. So now I am going to add one more angle DAC. I am adding this angle with this one and also this one. Okay. So in next statement I am adding BAD plus angle DAC. So if I want to add on the left hand side, next I should add on to the right hand side also, correct? So I am adding here also angle DAC, same angle I am adding on the both sides. So you should write the reason here, adding angle DAC on both sides. Okay. So angle BAD plus DAC you will get from the figure angle BAD plus DAC. That means it is making this whole angle, correct? So we can write angle BAC. So we can write here angle BAC is equal to angle EAC plus DAC. So angle EAC plus DAC you will get this whole angle. So you can write it as angle DAE. So I am writing here angle DAE. Okay, so if I am adding the same term on both sides, I will get this one, angle BAC is equal to DAE. So if you are checking angle BAC, this angle is in the triangle ABC. Angle DAE, this angle is in the triangle ADE. So in both triangle, here we took these two triangles. In these two triangles, now we got two angles are equal. How we got this? By adding the same term on the left hand side and right hand side. So now one angle criteria also we proved here. So one angle criteria we already proved here, and here one side criteria, here also one side. So SAS. So SAS, by using SSA or SAS, okay, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. So if we want to prove these two triangles are congruent, either we have to prove two sides and one angle are equal, or we have to prove all the angles are equal, or we have to prove all the sides are equal. So from this question we can prove that two sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal, and one corresponding angles are equal. So by using that criteria we can write these two triangles are congruent. What is the method we used here? SAS method we used here. This one we have to prove. So after proving this one, ABC is ADE, triangle ABC is congruent to ADE. What actually we have to prove? BC is equal to DE, correct? So after proving these two are congruent, then we can write BC and DE are equal, because by using CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. If two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are equal. So directly we can write BC is equal to DE by using CPCT.